halogen replacement. First, we will need to establish a baseline for what the halogens look like when they are in water versus what they are like in oil. Then we will need to look at the halides, or the halogen anions, to see what they look like and if they prefer water or mineral oil. Halogens are nonpolar, and so is mineral oil. For this reason, when the aqueous halogens are mixed with the mineral oil, the halogen will move to the mineral oil layer. The halide, or halogen anions, prefer to be in water. The aqueous solutions of halides are all colorless liquids. I will begin by showing the aqueous halogens. Now, here we have the halogens mixed with the mineral oil. First, we have chlorine. You can see the mineral oil layer is on the top. Then bromine, then iodine. Please make your note of the mineral oil layer color now. Next, we have the halides mixed with mineral oil. As we saw before, the halides are colorless. When mixed with the mineral oil, they remain colorless because the halide ions prefer the water to the mineral oil. Please make your observations now.